你好，我是 Becky. Hello, I am Becky. Welcome to Day Up. Here you can learn the most authentic Chinese. Today we will talk about breaking up with somebody. 我们分手吧 Let's break up. 我 third tone. 们 neutral tone. 我们 means we. 分 first tone. 手 third tone. 分手 means break up. 吧 neutral tone. 吧 is used at the end of a sentence to soften the tone. 我们分手吧。我们分手吧。我们分手吧。I am not sure if we are right for each other. 我们分手吧。Let's break up. 不可以，亲爱的，我真的很爱你。No way, honey. I love you so much. You have been going out with other girls behind my back. 我们分手吧。Let's break up. 原谅我吧。Please forgive me. Could you give me another chance? Please. We have been dating for 3 years. You still do not want to marry me. 我们分手吧。Let's break up. I'm just not ready for marriage. 我真的很爱你。I love you so much, Anna. An indirect expression to say break up is 我们不合适 which means we are not compatible or we are not suitable for each other. 我们 means we. 不 first tone means not. 和 second tone. 是 fourth tone. 合适 means compatible or suitable. 我们不合适 we are not compatible. 我们不合适，我们不合适，我们不合适。Bob， 对不起，我们不合适，分手吧。Bob，I'm sorry. We are not compatible. Let's break up. 为什么 ？Why? Did you fall in love with somebody else? 你总是加班，你总是没有时间陪我。我觉得我们不合适，分手吧。You are always working overtime. You never spend time with me. I think we are not compatible. Let's break up. 求求你 I beg you. I won't let you down again. Okay, it's your turn. Upload your recording and tell me if you have experienced a breakup before, and if so, was it really bad? Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。We have been together for 2 years. You still have kept the photos of your ex-girlfriend. 我们分手吧 Lisa, 别生气 I didn't do it on purpose. 我真的很爱你 Which of the following statements is true? Lisa wants to get married with her boyfriend. Lisa wants to break up with her boyfriend. Lisa is very happy. Please choose the best answer. Danny always goes to bars, but I like staying at home. 我觉得我们不合适。别担心 Ellie. He is a nice guy, and you two just have to talk things over and sort it out. Which of the following statements is true? Ellie always argues with her boyfriend. Ellie thinks her boyfriend is not a nice guy. Ellie thinks she is not the right person for her boyfriend. Please choose the best answer. 我爸妈不同意我们结婚，我们分手吧。
你不爱我了吗？
What are they talking about according to the dialogue? They are talking about getting married soon. They are talking about breaking up with each other. They are talking about moving to a foreign country. Please choose the best answer. 你没有房子，也没有车，我们没有未来，分手吧。
Becky, 给我个机会好吗？
Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Becky wants to break up with her boyfriend. Becky wants to buy a house. Becky wants to get married soon. Please choose the best answer. Mark 他总是喜欢吃醋，我受不了了。我觉得我们不合适，这说明他爱你啊，丽丽，别想太多。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Lily thinks she is not the right person for Mark. Lily thinks she and Mark are perfect for each other. Lily thinks she should give Mark a chance. Please choose the best answer.